Yo, welcome back to another tutorial on how I insert my bottles on the tire. So I received a lot of texts from people asking me how do I actually do this. And funny enough, I actually got someone from overseas actually asking me like, how do you add the bottles on the tire? So this is actually simple. First you need your scissors obviously and your bottle, just your 2 liter bottle. So let me just show you where to cut in. See those lines, these lines, you make sure you cut these lines first, right? Cut it straight, make sure it's straight in line. So let me just give you like the one that I already cut. So yeah, basically it's supposed to look like this. Okay, these are small, reason being is because I drift with this. If you fill the whole tire with bottles, it's gonna be very slippery. So I didn't want that. I mainly focus on drifting, right, side to side. So let me give you like a step, Yana. First you deflate. Yeah, take out the air from the tire. You deflate the tire. It's actually easy. Okay, I don't think we're gonna need the scissors, but yeah, it's easy as this. Let me just show you. One, two, and that's it. It's as easy as that. Let me just give you a closer view on how I actually do it. Give you a closer view. That's okay. Because really, oh my god. See, so why you see when they pop out, just know you just need to pump them. The tire is flat, so they are gonna pop out. You'll see once done pumping. And then see, and I'm actually going to drift today. Yeah guys, this is basically how you do it. I'm just filling in the gaps. But yeah, the guy that texted me, shout out to you. He's actually from Germany. I think you're watching the video right now, but here's the tutorial. Like I promised, I'll do it. So don't forget, you also need a pump, right? Okay, I need 1, 2, 3, just 3 more. There's 3 more. Let me just give you a different angle. squeeze it in. See, it's as easy as this, guys. And then any other questions, just comment down below. What else do you want to see? Come on, man. And yeah, guys, you have to be patient. Another thing, you have to be patient with this, especially when they start popping out. Oof. One more. Then I get my pump. It might pop. Guys, make sure you pump hard. Like it's hard, so you don't pop out when you're riding. Oof. Oof. So I guess you're asking me how do I do this because you wanna start. I'm guessing. Okay. Done. Now let's go to the front one. This one is actually flat. Hey guys, this one is important. You need to make sure this one is hard. See, it's flat. And yeah, guys, that's it. That's just how you do it. See, it's now ready to go. Just squeeze it in. Squeeze. So guys, if you have any more questions, just comment down in the comment section. And yeah, this is how you fill your bottles. That's how you do it. Done. Now ready to spin.